What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so a rectangle that is X feet wide. So it's X feet wide. There we go. Is inscribed in a circle of a radius of 34 feet. Express the area of the rectangle as a function of X. So, okay. So here is you guys can see that I drew a radius of 34 feet. Now, here's my question, though. Check this out. The radius is from the center to the edge of the circle, which the rectangle is inscribed in. So what if I just took this and extend this radius all the way to the other side, right? Which would be the diameter, but it's no longer 34 feet anymore. It's now going to be 68 feet. So if you look at this, what do I have? Don't I have a right triangle, right? That has, actually it's a little bit larger like this. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's just not drawn to scale and it's okay. So if you look at this, I have that as X. I have this as 68, right? And what I really want to know is what this length is, right? Which is this right here. So I could just say, hey, this X right here, let's put it over here. And that's what I would have. So right here, I could do a Pythagorean theorem, can I? Right? So let me bring this a little bit. No, first of all, let me make sure this is small enough. Take this, bring it up. And then I can do, you know what? Let's do a Pythagorean theorem here. So that's going to give me, so I know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the c is the hypotenuse. So be careful. So I have x squared plus the length squared is equal to the 68 squared. Okay, let's take a look. What is 68 squared? So I have x squared plus L squared is equal to 4624. So I'm since I'm looking for the area of that rectangle, I really just care about the length. I don't really care about what the x is already x. So I don't need to find x again. I already know what x is. So I want to find the length. So let's get the length by itself. So would that be right by saying L squared is equal to 4624 minus x squared? All right, I got to subtract the x squared to the other side. So L is going to equal to the square root of the 4624 minus x squared. So that's my length, okay? So what do I know about the area of a rectangle? Well, what I know about the area of a rectangle, let me do this. Let me reorganize all of the, a little bit here. Ah, you son of a gun. Ooh, look at how close that is. So let me do this. Just a little reorganization. Don't worry, those will come back. Perfect. All right. So what do I know about area? Area is equal to length times width or base times height, right? So the area of this rectangle is the length, which I found right here, right? Times the width. Well, the width was given to me right from the get-go, right? Here's the width. There it is. So that's what I have. So the area is just going to be the product of those two times the square root of, oopsies, 4624 minus x squared. And there we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, looks certainly looks like choice A. And there we go. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.